Good morning, Bronco Maniacs. Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco. Well, giving you a quick update. I think we are at ground zero on a bright, sunny December day in Phoenix, and it's about 75 degrees today. So yes, that's why we can work outside on our Broncos in December, but not so much in June and July, that's for sure. So just wanted to show you where we're at. We're down to the point where I call ground zero, which means I don't think we're taking anything else off the truck. We're there. So that feels good. This week we'll be painting engine bay, cab portion of the truck, primer, and then the same peacock blue that was originally on the truck. We filled in all the holes we're not going to be using. We're installing the vintage AC and power brakes, all this other stuff. So that's why you want to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. We're going to be putting all the new toys in. So we're going to be modernizing the Bronco so that it's good for another 50 years. And hopefully you'll want to go along for the ride. If you had told me a year ago I was going to take it down to this, no way, you're crazy. No. But, it's the rabbit hole, the money pit, whatever you want to call it. You start doing something, oh, well, I might as well do this. Oh, I might as well do this. And the next thing you know, yeah, you're into it for a lot of money and a lot of time. And, hey, it's okay. Much cheaper than buying a new truck, that's for sure. And you end up with a new truck that you built yourself, so there's some pride in that as well. Thanks for watching.